Dear students, shall we learn a new concept through a story? Listen carefully. This is Jack and this is his sister Jill. They are twins. Today is a very special day for them. It is their birthday. Kids, it is time to cut the cakes, said their mother. Seeing the cake, Jill started to cry. Do you know why? It was because Jack's cake had more number of candles than her cake. Seeing this, their mother put the same number of candles on both the cakes. After the cake cutting, they went to play, but soon they started to complain. Jill has more balloons than me, cried Jack. I have less juice than Jack, cried Jill. She has more gifts than me, cried Jack. I have less cupcakes than him, cried Jill. Both Jack and Jill cried aloud. Do not cry, kids. You have already learned sharing is caring. So share with each other and be happy, said their mother. Jack and Jill both shared their things and had a great time together. Children, how was the story? In the story, you might have heard the words more and less many times, isn't it? In your previous classes, you have already learned to compare objects on the basis of their color, size and shape. Now, let us learn to compare objects based on their quantities. When we compare the objects with various quantities, one will be more in quantity and the other will be less. Sometimes the objects will be in equal quantities. Here, more means a larger amount, a greater number of things, and less means fewer amount or less number of things. Hope you understood the concept more and less. Now, shall I ask you a few questions based on the story? Who has got more candles on their cake? Yes, Jack has got more candles on his cake and Jill has got less candles. Who has got more balloons? Jill has got more balloons and Jack has got less balloons. Who got less gifts? Jack got less gifts and Jill got more gifts. Who got less cupcakes? Jill got less cupcakes and Jack got more number of cupcakes. So children, today we learned a new concept, more and less. Can we look into more examples? Here on one side we have the picture of cats and on the other side you can see the picture of dogs. Children, can you find out which animal is more in number? Yes, cats are more in number and dogs are less in number. Next, you can see the picture of books on one side and on the other side you can see the picture of pencils. Can you identify which is more in number? Yes, pencils are more in number and books are less in number. Hope you understood the concept more and less. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye. Dear parents, there is a worksheet for the concept more and less. Please help your child to do the worksheet. The first question is, circle the basket which has more fruits. Help your child to identify the basket which has more fruits and color it. The second question is, color the pot which has less flowers. Help your child to identify the pot which has less flowers and color it. Thank you.